those who are just passing by.
जो आसपास में से गुजर रहे हैं.
But a very special welcome also to tourists who have come from different states and places to visit our land.
So उन सब का भी बहुत स्वागत है जो हमारी जगह में घूमने फिरने के माध्यम से आए हैं.
God has blessed our land with such beauty.
क्योंकि आपका आना इस जगह के लिए खूबसूरती है.
And it has attracted so many tourists.
So इसने बहुत सारे लोगों को अपनी ओर खींचा है.
You can go back and tell how beautiful it is, and you can encourage them to come and visit.
So आप अपनी जगह में वापस जाकर लोगों को बता सकते हैं कि कितनी खूबसूरत जगह और उनको आने के लिए बोले.
But more than the beauty that the natural beauty that we have, that more than that,
so उससे भी बढ़कर जो खूबसूरती, जो कुदरती खूबसूरती हमारे पास है,
is the power that breaks the bondage, whatever kind of bondages and prison that you may find yourself in.
वो शक्ति जो उन सारे बंधनों को तोड़ने की ताकत रखती है.
It is very unfortunate, sad that so many are bound and find themselves imprisoned by taking to drug abuse.
So ये बहुत दुख की बात है कि ना चाहते हुए भी बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे बदुआई में हैं.
Young people are addicted to drugs.
So जो नौजवान नशे के गुलाम हैं.
But then there are many young people, even elderly, who have problem of addiction to alcohol and other evils and bad things.
So बहुत सारे नौजवान और जो बुजुर्ग भी हैं वो इस नशे के
to participate in helping solution of this problem.
हमें समझना है कि किस तरह से मदद के लिए एक हल को खोजे.
So you may be in the locality, your own locality.
आप हो सकता है अपने रहने की जगह में हो.
You may be a passerby.
हो सकता है आप वहाँ से गुजर रहे हो.
But seize every opportunity to help those that have problems with drugs.
लेकिन आप उस मौके को ढूंढें उस हर किसी शख्स के लिए जो नशे से जकड़ा हुआ है.
Do something to stop this illegal trafficking.
So कुछ करें इसके खिलाफ जो है गैर कानूनी तौर पर ये नशा चल रहा है.
For these people without conscience, they peddle drugs. They supply these drugs.
So ये जो लोग हैं ये अपने मानसिक तौर पर इस नशे से एक लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं.
Affecting families and affecting the society.
Many young people struggle with drug addiction, finding it difficult to overcome their dependence. They are struggling with a strong dependence on drugs. Drug addiction has taken a significant hold on their life. They are finding it challenging to cope without substances. Their addiction has reached a critical point. Only Jesus can set them free from the bondage of addiction. Through faith in Jesus, many find the strength to overcome substance abuse. They have found freedom from addiction through Jesus. Jesus has set them free from the bondage of substance abuse. Through faith in Jesus, they have been liberated from addiction.
Out to the stress, sorting out a million thoughts running through your head. To everyone that's waiting for better days ahead, tired, frustrated, leaving words unsaid. Please don't hold your breath. Just breathe. It's a miracle we can breathe. There's power in the way that we breathe. Release your heavy burden and let everything that has breath praise the Lord. This is why we have breath. Praise. Sometimes He calmed the storm, and sometimes He let it rain. Please don't hold your breath. Just breathe. It's a miracle we can breathe. There's power in the way that we breathe. Release your heavy burdens and let everything that has breath praise the Lord. This is why we have breath. Praise the Lord.
कि आप परमेश्वर की शक्ति को अनुभव करें
And you can be the extended hand of God as you reach out to drug addicts, as you reach out to drug peddlers and confront them with this power so they can be changed.
आप परमेश्वर का बढ़ता हुआ हाथ बन सकते हैं जब आप उस नशे के जकड़े हुए लोगों के पास जाएंगे और उनकी जिंदगियां बदलेंगी और वो परमेश्वर की शक्ति को अनुभव
So
करेंगे।
thank you again.
आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
God bless you.
परमेश्वर आपको आशीष दे।
You heard the good news.
आपने सुसमाचार को सुना है।
This is not just news that is good. It is the power of God that will set you free.
सो ये सिर्फ एक खुशखबरी नहीं है, एक ऐसी शक्ति है जो आपको आजाद